Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the weight of few things which we are using in our daily life. Our first example is double her weight. Kunjamma's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Kunjamma was born that day. They buy sweets double of Kunjamma's weight and distribute them among poor people. When Kunjamma was born, she was 3 kg. Today is Independence Day and Kunjamma is 5 years old. She is 28 kg now. Now, guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. Now let's see what is given. So it's given Kunjamma's parents, they'll celebrate the Independence Day in a very different way because their daughter Kunjamma was born on that day. They'll be very happy, right? So a child was born on a great day, Independence Day. So how they celebrate is they buy sweets double the weight of Kunjamma's weight. Okay, and they distribute among the poor peoples. So when she was born, when Kunjamma was born, she was 3 kg. So how much they will be distributing? Double the weight. So 3 plus 3 they will be distributing. Now today is Independence Day and Kunjamma is 5 years old. So after 5 years they have given. Kunjamma is weighing now 28 kg. So on her 5th birthday she is weighing 28 kg. So what is asked? Now guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. So they have given weights. Okay. So we have to find the amount of sweet they are distributing on each Independence Day. So first, Kunjamma's age is given in one column, Kunjamma's weight is given in one column, and you want to find the amount of sweets they are distributing. Okay, so now at birth, when she was born, she was 3 kg. So how much they will be distributing? Double her weight. She is 3 kg, then they will be distributing 3 kg plus 3 kg. So doubling. So it is 6 kg. Okay, when Kunjamma is 1 year old, she is weighing 9 kgs. So how much they will be distributing? Double the weight of Kunjamma. Weight of Kunjamma is 9 kg. So double the 9 kg means 9 kg plus 9 kg. So that is 18 kgs they will be distributing. When Kunjamma is 2 years old, okay, so they didn't give the weight, but instead they have given the amount of sweet they have distributed. So they have distributed 13 plus 13, that is 26 kg. So what will be the weight of Kunjamma? So they are doubling it. So the weight of Kunjamma is 13 kg. Now when Kunjamma is 3 years old, okay, the weight of the Kunjamma is 17 kg is given. So how much they will be distributing? 17 plus 17, yes, that is 34 kg they will be distributing. When 4 years old, when Kunjamma is 4 years old, they have not given the weight. So we can take the approximate weight of a 4-year baby as 22 kg. So now the weight is 22 kg. So the amount of sweet distributed will be 22 kg plus 22 kg, that is 44 kg. Now 5 years old, when Kunjamma is 5 years old, Kunjamma's weight is 28 kg. So the sweet they will be distributing is 28 plus 28, doubling. So you will get 56 kg. Now let you guess your own weight. Now guess your own weight. So you are in class 3. So now how much years old you are? 8 years old. So you may weigh 35 kgs. The next example is Yum Yum Rice. Shadgo heard about a new dish on the radio. He wants to try making it. When he notes down how to make it, he gets confused. So this is what he notes down. First, pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. Boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal, half kg red chili powder, 1 bowl salt. Okay, and then now put a spoon of rice, and then 4th step, add 2 peas and 8 glasses of mustard seeds, and then finally add 1 kg of onions. So mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. But Shodgoto feels there is something very wrong in the amount of everything. So while reading itself you can see, right? So how much wrong it is. All the quantities are wrong. So we have to write the correct amount of the quantities. Now we'll help him to match the things with their right amounts. 1 kg rice, half kg dal, 1 bowl of peas, 8 glasses of water, then 2 numbers in onion, 1 pinch salt, 1 spoon mustard seeds and 2 spoon red chilli powder. So you have to correct all the amount of the ingredients taken like this. The next example is activity time. Make a list of things bought at your home. Find out how much of each thing is bought at one time. These things can be rice, oil, chili powder, sugar, milk, onion, ginger, etc. So now the things that can be bought for our home at one time are, we'll list out few things and we'll list the amount of the things which we'll bought for one time. So first thing is rice. So we'll buy 10 kg. Then if you take dal, we'll buy 2 kg dal. Sugar, we'll buy 5 kg. Oil, 2 liters. Salt, 1 kg. Chilli, half kg. Turmeric powder will not buy in kilograms. We'll buy only in grams. So we'll buy 100 gram. Chilli powder also we'll buy only in grams. So 250 gram. Coriander powder also we'll buy only in grams. So it's 100 gram. Now groundnut, it will be 1 kg. Kg is kilogram. Onion, 2 kilograms. Tomato, 1 kilogram. Potato, 1 kilogram. Again, if you go for ginger, we'll not buy in kilogram. So we'll buy in grams. So 250 gram. Garlic, 250 gram. Milk, we'll buy 1 liter. Then curry leaf, it's 1 bunch, maybe 100 grams like that. So milk and oil we will buy in liters. The other things, large quantities we'll buy in kilograms. The small quantity we'll buy in grams. So you can make a list things like this, whatever the things you are buying in your home, and you can take the quantity. Here amount represents the quantity, how much you are buying. So that also depends upon the utilization. We will not buy 10 kg dal and 2 kg rice, right? So we will be using more rice than the dal. Then sugar also will be using more. Oil also will be using more. So compared to salt, we will use more sugar. So the amount of salt is less and the amount of sugar is more. So you have to think the ways how much quantity we are using in our home. So you can take help from your mother and you can write out the things like this. So here it's an example I have given for you. Hope you have understood how to take the right amount of right things. Thank you for watching the video.